Do I need a special app or tool to install APK on Samsung Smart TV?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about whether you need a special app or tool to install APKs on your Samsung Smart TV. APKs, or Android Package Kits, are the package file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps and middleware. They can provide you with access to applications that might not be available through traditional channels on your Samsung Smart TV. So, let's dive in and explore this topic further.
Can I install APKs directly on my Samsung Smart TV?
Well, this is a tricky one. The Samsung Smart TV runs on a different operating system called Tizen, which is not directly compatible with Android APKs. So, unfortunately, you can't install APKs on your Samsung Smart TV directly, as you would on an Android device.
Is there a way to use Android apps on my Samsung Smart TV?
Despite the fact that Samsung Smart TVs use a different OS, there's a way around this limitation. You can use an Android TV box or a similar device, like Amazon's Fire Stick. These devices use Android as their operating system and can easily install APKs. The way it works is, you connect these devices to your Samsung Smart TV via an HDMI port, allowing your TV to display and run Android apps. So while you do need an additional tool, it's a physical device rather than an app. An Android TV box or Fire Stick is required if you want to run APKs on your Samsung Smart TV.
Are there risks involved?
Before we conclude, it's important to talk about the potential risks. Installing APKs from sources outside the official App Store comes with a risk of malware. Always be careful and ensure that the APK files you are downloading are from trusted sources. Also, some apps may not be optimized for TV use, so usability might not be perfect. Be cautious and aware of these potential risks before installing APKs on your device. In conclusion, you can't install APKs directly on your Samsung Smart TV due to its Tizen OS. However, you can use an Android TV box or Amazon Fire Stick to use Android apps on your Samsung Smart TV. Just remember to consider the potential risks involved in terms of security and app usability. We hope this video has been informative and helps you make the best decision for your smart TV use. Happy watching!